Hello, so in this video I want to show you how to set up the two-factor authenticator on your LinkedIn account. So the first thing you want to do is click up on your profile picture here, go to the one that's named Settings and Privacy, click on that one, and then you go to the left and click on the section with Sign In and Security, and then you can see the two-step verification is off, and then you click on the arrow, and then you click on Setup. And then you need to go in on your LinkedIn app on your phone. So here you can see I've gone in on my phone and I will click the LinkedIn app and it will open up, and then I will get the message that I should confirm it's me that is trying to log in on my LinkedIn account, and I click yes, it's me. And after you accept it on your phone that it was you that logged in, you can click on setup again and then choose your verification method. And I just want my Authenticator app, but you can also choose phone number SMS. So I hit continue, and then I will throw in my password for my LinkedIn account and click submit. And then it tells you to install Microsoft Authenticator app or any other Authenticator app. So once again, I go back on my phone, I open my Google Authenticator app, and I hit the plus in the right corner and click on scan QR code. And then I scan the QR code on my computer, and then I have added my LinkedIn two-step authenticator. And after you scan the QR code with your Authenticate app, you can click on continue. And there you go. Then you need to enter your code that you have on your Authenticate app. And so I just want to enter mine, and it's 998918, and then click verify. And there you go. Now you have turned on the two-step verification authenticator.